Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we implemented refund notification mailer for customers. In this lecture, we're gonna implement the similar mailer for admin user. So to do that, we need to implement the admin refund notification method into the refund notification mailer, and then we will implement template for this mailer action. Okay, so let's open the refund notification mailer. So switch to your project directory, and here you can see in the refund notification mailer, we already implemented the customer refund notification. Okay, and here we need to do the same thing just like we did for the customer refund notification action, because we will just modify the way of displaying the information here, but we will use the same instance variable to display the content to admin users. Okay, so let's define the same variables into the admin refund notification method. Okay, so you can copy all these instance variables. Okay, so copy this and paste it inside the admin refund notification mirror. Okay, so paste it and here accept the argument that is refund. Okay, so refund and save it. Here we only need to change the recipient email address, which is of course an admin user email, and then the subject of this notification email. We are changing the subject here because even though we are using the same instance variables in both mailer actions, but both actions serves the different purpose. So let's provide the admin user email as recipient email address and a specific subject here. Okay, so for now I'm just using the first admin user email. Okay, so before implementing this mailer action, you need to make sure that you have an admin user instance created into your database for admin user model. Okay, else you will get an error. Okay, so let's implement the mail to method here. So mail to, okay, and here what we can use, admin user dot first dot email. Okay, so admin user dot first dot email. Okay, since I have already created an admin user. Okay, so I'm writing this. If you do not have admin user created, then first go to the Rails console or go to the browser, and using the sign up form, let's create an admin user first. Okay, and now I need to provide the subject here. Okay, so let's provide the subject, and the subject must be refund request coming from, or refund request coming for workshop.name. Okay, so let's provide refund request coming for, and then at the rate workshop.name. Okay, so workshop.name. Okay, and after writing this mail to method, save the file. Now it's time to implement the mailer template for this admin refund notification action. So open the app views mailer refund notification and find the template. So here is the template, admin refund notification .html.erb. Okay, and let's start implementing this. So to reduce the time to implement this template, first copy all the content from the customer refund notification.html.erb template and paste it into the admin refund notification html.erb. Now let's modify this content for admin user. Okay, so first copy this content from customer refund notification template and paste it into the admin refund notification template. Okay, and now what we can do here, that first we need to change the card title inside the card header. Okay, so what we can do here, like refund request, remove this accepted, and we can add refund request submitted for, and then we will provide the order number of the booking. Okay, so let's add at the rate booking dot order number. Okay, and save this. Now we need to remove this greetings from webinar and hello customer dot full name. Okay, because we are sending this email to the admin user. Okay, so let's remove this greeting from webinar, and what we can do here, hey admin, hey admin user, let's say, yeah. Okay, and now we need to change this paragraph. Okay, so let's remove this, and what we can do here, so just to remove it, and we can do a refund request submitted for, and then provide this link to. Okay, so we can copy this link from the booking for. Okay, copy this and let's paste it here. Okay, and we can also mention customer here that for which workshop and by which customer the booking has been submitted. Okay, so we can add a refund request is submitted for, then link to workshop name by, and then what we need to do, customer dot full name. Okay, so we can copy this. Okay, not copy, let's cut this. Okay, and remove this hello tag, and you can paste it here. Let's do this in inside the strong tag. Okay, and inside the strong tag let's paste the customer full name. Okay, and add a full stop here. Now, this refund request is confirmed as valid, and you need to take further action to process the refund for the customer. This is the text that we need to add here. So what we can do, this refund request is confirmed as valid, and we need to take further action to, and then below are the booking details, because after adding this text what we need to do, that we need to display the booking details into the admin mailer. Okay, below are the booking details. Okay, add a full stop and save this content. Okay, and now what we need to do, that we do not need to mention please find the refund details below. So just remove it, remove this paragraph. And what we can use, because we just need to show that number of tickets to be cancelled, so we can use the same line here. And what is the amount that we're going to refund, so we can use the refundable amount here as it is. And we can use the booking for workshop name as it is here. And now what we can do as next thing, that we can provide the booking date, or at what date the customer has booked the tickets for that particular workshop. Okay, so we can add this attribute here, h5, and inside this h5 what we can do, booking date, and then add the booking dot created it. Okay, because the create by created it we will find the booking details, booking date. Okay, so at the rate booking dot created it, and then to format it we can use the strf time method. Okay, so this is how we can display the booking date. So booking dot created at dot strf time, and then date, month, and y, and this h and m will display the hours and minutes, and this percent p will show whether it is created at pm or am. Okay, so we can use that. Now let's call this mailer in the similar way we called the customer refund notification mailer. Okay, so to call this we need to open the Rails console first and find the refund instance. Okay, so let's switch to the Rails console. Okay, and here let's restart the Rails console, because we added the new mailer, implemented the new mailer action. So what we can do, Rails console, and here find the refund. Okay, so we can use refund equal to refund dot last to find the last refund. Okay, so refund equal to refund dot last. Okay, and let's check this refund instance. Okay, so you can see that id 5, customer id 1, booking id 11, and number of tickets is 3, and the state is accepted. Okay, here I want to make sure one correction. Here I want to make one correction, that in the last lecture I use find query to load the refund instance, but here for our purpose I'm using the last refund instance created for the refund model. Okay, just make sure that whatever refund instance you are using, you must have the number of tickets values as not nil. Okay, else you will get an error while calculating the refundable amount. Okay, so after loading this refund instance, let's call the mailer into the Rails console. Okay, so just go remove this. Just you reuse the command and just remove the customer, and you can add here admin refund notification. Okay, so admin refund notification and then deliver.now. Okay, and as soon as you submit this command, you will see that a letter opener email preview has been opened into the browser. So what you can see here that, hey admin user, a refund request is submitted for this Ruby on Rails Ninja Bootcamp by Ravi Singh Kashyap. This refund request is confirmed as valid, and you need to take further action to process the refund for the customer. Below are the booking details. So number of tickets to be cancelled 3, refundable amount is this, and booking for Ruby on Rails Ninja Bootcamp. Okay, so we are not seeing the, okay, so because sorry I forget to save the file, so that's why we are not seeing this booking date. Okay, so now let's reload the console so we can see the booking details into the mailer template as well. Okay, so here you can see that this is the booking date, 16/6/2022 at 4:30 a.m. So this is how we can display the information to the admin user for the refund notification. Okay, and that's all from this lecture. In the next lecture, we will call these customers and admin refund notification mailer from the update action of the refunds controller right after calculating the refundable amount. Meanwhile, let's give this lecture a try at your end, and thanks for watching this, and let's meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.